Kinong yalam jong seng Voice of the People's Party VPP haka arpu arterik kula lengkot arhajar arpusau. Kila syeme karai ben Sangeh Shipor ke Jingiakhih ke belas sedang haka kat kendai terik ukala lengkot arhajar arpusau Halor kamat bandawa ben tungkam biang ya ke officer ka Megalaya Lokayukta. Kani karai belasyam nega VPP kalong hadian manakaliang kinong yalam ka VPP kiliyo bani kendo bat ka menteri ketenangan i Dr. Amperin lengdo bat yo aru ike jengkular ba Halor kani kamat kinyo bani keran bat menteri rang ba kejela u konrad kongkal sangma ha ka step jong ka arpu arterik u kala lengkot arhajar arpusau. Kinong yalam ka VPP apa ke jengilam presiden uba Ardan Melo Basayomot kilator sa sekretariat nagabentaban penbor ke sorkar bakan tungkam biang ya kilangut ke officer ke belasya awengkam aga Lokayukta. Nrai nagaliang gibor peniak distrik bat kipulit kila penjor ke jeng pahara hagi jaka pemarjan ke sekretariat bat kani kala penpulam no ke jeng temu ke VPP bat penlong gi dikot ke VPP bakin syong no katok kane por ha parking lot jong ke additional secretariat.
VPP long live! Long live! VPP long live! Long live! Long live! VPP long live! Long live! Long live! Down down MDA! Down down MDA! MDA down down! Down down down! Long live! VPP long live! VPP long live! VPP down down! MDA down down! MDA long live! VPP long live! VPP down down! MDA down down! MDA we condemn corruption! We condemn corruption! We condemn corruption! We condemn corruption! Down down! MDA down down! MDA down down! MDA long live! VPP 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 down down! MDA down down! MDA we condemn! MDA we condemn! MDA we condemn! MDA we condemn corruption! We want justice! 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 Down down! MDA down down! MDA down down! MDA VPP long live! VPP VPP long live! Long live! Long live!
Yes, an idiom is escorting you, sir.
What I want
I'm
my people
escorting you,
to
sir.
escort me.
Sir, they are already here, sir.
Give them
Kindly,
10
sir,
to 15
please.
of them.
Please,
Only.
sir. Kindly, sir.
Okay, please, sir.
We request you, sir. Please, sir.
That is
One
not-
out till here, sir.
That is not too big
Sir.
request from you, sir.
Please, sir. We
You
have,
understand, sir?
Sir.
That is not too big
See,
talk.
sir. We have done the needful from our end, sir. Humbly request you, sir. Humbly appealing to your leadership, sir. Kindly, sir. We request you, sir. Please, sir. Your supporters are already here, sir. Okay. Madam is ready, sir.
Ki katu kan ni le si ki bas no thok bakla babale jit ingi kum ki emily kade ka kamram jungi bangini sa assembly andai bani ki sa surah le si kim snu tho ngam tim le si yo kim ikman bangi sa ja po assembly kade non le ne yelara shibun ki mat po assembly yela sa ndai kai ka bangi ni shem kalong awat hapo ka ying barbar tawan la persang ban khanglat bangin ra ikimat kebele jong pat ba la pelang barbar tandrus ni ngine sa tenge gai bala demi susrok pinang bomong ikwa bani thu ban kren da ka sha na du ba sngi ka baningkong ngila ong baka VPP ka dai ka seng san perthai ka baya pher na ki wait pat ki seng san perthai VPP is going to be a party with a difference. Larat nyimla hapo assembly ngin mi syasurat pada ke jingi syasurat kabala penang ya ke sarkar bagan hab ban pendam ban menjur ban tau ya ke expert committee ban review ya ke reservation policy ban nam ta kitur ki bang sunu kata ke expert committee ke ja nilai pon ru banai ke sarkar ban menta kala ya ko basau banai ai bangin ladat ban penparu bangin sai ke reminder syaka sarkar kidan shibune ki kam ki bangi de benle ta ka bidi bagani ke Jingiakhih naga banta kani ke jingweng ya kini ki officer naga Lokayukta nila ai ke jingtho Pangila po kapor baniki. Tatay naman kita kadaw nga kwa ba kipat ba kin shy. Balingi hab baniki habadan ba pentot ya ka Lokayukta. Kani gadi ka taga bor bala bu. Bantokit igi kam bamsap. Bad ban pinsitom igi babamsap. Tatay naman kata igi nu gi bakta ya ka Lokayukta ngin hab baniki. Kom ka party ka bayeng. Hagan nongrim pan yahon persya ya ka bamsap. Hagan notification ka ba u chairman jong ka Lokayukta wing ya kita ki official la wing under the instruction of the government. Hangno nong bagamla kam tuklar ka taga sarkar. Namar ka taga ko kipat ba. Nongrim ka bangi yeng. Kalong ka nongrim ka ba scam. But minta kani ka si ka ba ar ka bangi ni madan baniki kumni. Ti pulit le si kila job menta ka sini da ka bagi kangla di ki pai ba ne ki dong ne ki jaga ba phe ban wan sini halai kumlei pulit bagilana yau pai ba bon wan sini ka jaga namar kilala banle ya ka ei ka ba ki pokal master jungki kila bata yimdom ni ki kilale ya ka ei ka ba ki tei ki bisong po secretary ki pa bomdei ban yo rung trat shagani ka jaga boh namar ba ka don ga jing setting namar ba kitip ba pat pa u ai ga jing kershan ga baklan ya ga ga jing le ga jing persya ya ga bamsap ani ga si ga baar ka bang leki ngim persya i police. We are not against police personnel. Tendre police are not supposed to cover their faces when they deal with public representatives and common people, especially when we fight in a democratic manner.
Hadian kat to kanepor baga VPP kelas sedang ya kene Jingiakhih. Nagaliang ke Menteri Ketenaraan i Dr. Amperin Lengdo ilakot ikendo bagi nongelam ke VPP. Bad hadian kene Jingiakhih kendo nagaliang ke VPP kala menjur ban Sangeh Shipor ya ke Jingiakhih.
In which we have given a letter to the government expressing our displeasure for removing those officials from the Lokayukta. We know for sure that the Law Minister cannot give any decision and we cannot arrive to any logical conclusion. But we want to convey a message clearly that as a party, we don't want to create any trouble. Our decision to hit the street is not to create trouble, but we have a valid reason. The valid reason is that when the government unceremoniously terminate the services of those 3 officers, we feel it is our duty to take up the matter. And we are not convinced with the clarification of the government that whatever the government has done is because the appointment of those officials is against the law. So we question the government, how do you overlook such a section which is too glaring in the act? So these are the things that we have discussed, we have raised, and we have clearly told the Minister in charge law to convey all these points, these pertinent points to the Chief Minister so that in the next meeting we can sit and solve this matter once and for all. Yeah, we will be raising this, the manner in which these police cover their faces, not only for us, but even if they deal for a common man. To hide your identity, not to disclose your name, which is supposed to be done by the, by the law enforcement, is not an encouraging trend. We need to put a stop on this, and we will be raising this. We will be raising also the way in which policemen manhandle our MLAs on these issues.
What do you have to say?
I think it's very unfortunate, highly unfortunate on the part of the Deputy Chief Minister to have stated such a statement against the Voice of the People Party. I don't feel worth it to respond, in fact, but I can only tell you that any aggrieved official, he may be a relative, a close relative of the Deputy Chief Minister, we are ready as a party to take up this case in order to protect his right as a citizen. In fact, in this meeting, we had expressed that, two wrongs cannot make things right. They should have been given a chance to complete the term and to complete the ongoing investigation that is there. That is our stand. We will not subscribe to the kind of explanation that the government has explained to us that we want to rectify. In fact, we asked them, how do you overlook? In case the accused or the aggrieved person go to the court, how will you face the court as an official? That, no, somehow we overlook this section, which is why we appointed the retired officer. And how will you, I mean, from where you derive also the definition, that they are not entitled to be appointed in this institution, the Lokayukta. You see, we've got a lot of issues. We are not. We can only tell the people how arrogant this government is. This is a kind of a political arrogance, the height of political arrogance that MDA has shown to the people.
Sir, we also heard you talk about the government not conducting the district council elections.
No, you see, because the government is trying to show to the world that they want to go as per the law, which is why they remove these officials. Whereas when there is no provision of law to extend, to delay the election, they do it for their own expediency. We don't have any problem when it comes to delimitation. That is a normal process. But we don't subscribe to the extension, delay of election. There's only, a way to find how to justify the decision of the government to extend, delay the election. It is only one of the steps to ensure that they will not be blamed by the people for falsely extended the election.